Hey, Andre DeCusto from Lone Wolf Custom Gear. We're pretty excited about some new products we have this year. One thing is the aider. I developed a new class of aiders this year. Had a chance to hunt with them an entire season. What we've done is we've got some rigid cable now that actually will hold your aider in position for you. So even on the way up, if you bump it or move it, it's going to bring it right back to where your step is supposed to be. Nice thing about this is you can navigate down the tree a lot safer in the dark. We also developed it so it'll go onto our existing stick line, the full-size stick, the mini sticks, and what we'll be showing you in a little bit is we do have a double step now too that also handles this aider. Another thing is this will be, it's designed to go on any other manufacturer stick. So nice thing about this is that it's contained, it's only an extra 3 ounces on your stick, and on our model sticks you can literally fold this thing up and still pack the sticks like it's normally designed to do. New camera arm, pocket arm. So again, spent a whole season with this. This has evolved over a number of years. It started out with our strong arm when we used to film whitetail addictions. Then Cody and myself had modified ours and kept modifying it to where we are literally now the lightest, most compact camera arm out. This fits in anywhere in a pack, side bag, pocket, straps to your stand. It's light, and an amazing thing about it is that it has the reach of most full-size camera mounts on there, and literally is more solid on the tree with all kinds of leveling capabilities. We'll step over here in a little bit and we'll show you one on a tree. So a unique thing about this hub is that we have an adjustable knob here. We have 2 points of contact instead of 3, which allows you on any sphere to navigate and move and level out your hub. The biggest problem with camera arms, in my opinion, was the hub part of these camera arms. They are a bear to put away, pack in a backpack, where now this thing is just simplified. And surprisingly, this hub is actually sturdier than some of the bigger ones on the market. Again, leveling button, lightweight strap. You can also use a tree stand strap on here, a little heavier gauge if you like. And this arm, literally, with a 9 pounds of weight on the end of it, only has a 1/2 inch sag on the end of it. So it's we're looking for this to be a real good addition to the equipment line. Okay, here's our new double step stick design. Like all of our products, I designed this to be the most compact, sturdy model that you can. With this model, we have it so they just keep stacking, so you can literally take as many sticks as you want stacking. A 4-pack is literally only 2.5 inches high. You have a completely cut one-piece double step, no sharp components, so if you notice the steps are nice and wide, so for grabbing on with your hand or your boot contact. 4 points of contact will be sharpened. There'll be a belt system. You can use your ropes. You can use your belt. You can use a belt with a buckle. Also, if you notice, they're already pre-drilled and ready to go if you wanted to add aiders to them. So these right now are probably the lightest, most compact way to navigate a tree.
Hey, it's Cody DeQuisto at XOP, and today I'm going to go over our new compact climbing stick. So this is a shorter version of our popular full length, still equipped with the longer step, the arc for those crooked trees, and our patented quarter turn locking mechanism. Awesome thing about this, it's an entire pound lighter, cuts down your profile, and it works seamlessly with our new stick transport brackets. So as you can see here, we have a short length climbing stick that locks directly to the stand now. So these brackets are equipped with the port for the locking mechanism. Great thing about those, they come in 2 different styles. They come in a removable mount and a permanent mount. And you can mount these to the back of your stand, you can mount them to the side of your stand, to the front. How they even work on side-by-sides and anywhere you really want to mount your sticks. If you look over here, another great feature about those mounted on the side, when you're in your ascent up the tree, you can, you can actually lock that right in there, and as you're going up, you can reach around, take it out, set your next stick. Makes it really easy for transport.
Hey guys, Brandon Medlin with Scrape Stick here at ATA 2020. I want to introduce this product to you. This is the Scrape Stick. It is a mock scrape system. What's really neat about this feature for those that like mock scrapes is now you have the option of placing them anywhere you want. Food plots is a real popularity for our users. The one nice thing about the food plots is if you have a T-post laying around the farm, you go ahead and set up a T-post and it slides right on top of it. There are two other ways that you can install these products. You can use a strap option, which it ships with a strap. It also has 4 pilot holes, so if you want to screw it. So here you can see on our cedar post, it gives you a durability, so it's going to lock in tight. Most important thing when it comes to mock scrapes is the branch height. So with this product, what we have here is an adjustment that you can actually adjust the height of the branch to get it to about 4 feet off the ground. And the last feature that I want to highlight is our metal jaw tooth. This is designed to hang on to that branch, so when the bucks start ripping at it, it's not going to rip out. Should it break, it is spring loaded. You can easily loosen it and pull that old branch out and pop a new one in. You have to check us out at scrapestick.com. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
Have to do a certain thing. Like, I think what we did wrong was we actually put you on touch restriction.
Back to the ATA 2020. Love this show. Hanging out with Curtis Price from Lumenok. We've been shooting the Lumenok lighted Nox now. This is going on the 3rd year officially. I actually shot them for the last 4 years. So, what's up, Curtis?
Just another show, John.
Yeah,
Living
yeah.
the dream, man.
Yeah.
You know, living the dream. You know what? It's been a tough year this year just because of the whole crossbow vertical road thing.
Yeah, yeah.
I think we're coming back. I heard a lot of good things about us. And, you know, life's a roller coaster ride, man.
Yeah.
We've been in the industry since 2002, and we've had our ups and downs. And I think this year's going to be a great year for us.
Yeah. Well, the original lighted knock, Lumenok. Whenever you think of lighted knock, that's the name that comes to mind is Lumenok.
Well, that's what everybody calls all the Lumenoks.
Right.
All lighted knocks are Lumenoks. We take more calls on other people's garbage than we do our own stuff, you know, which is kind of aggravating. But, you know, we're getting through it. It's pretty good for them, all the customers for all the other lighted arrow knock companies when they come back to us because we can sell them our product and then also give them the right phone number so they can bitch to the right people.
Yeah.
You know? So it's okay. You got to take the good with the bad.
It's the good and the bad. Here's the thing. Yates City, Illinois, made in the USA. It's one of the things that we like the most about Lumenok.
Yates City is the center of the lighted arrow knock universe.
That's it.
That's it, man.
Actually, there's a sign when you walk in, when you drive into Yates City, it says Home of Lumenok, I think. Right? No?
Maybe
there should be. We're going to work on that. So if you haven't been to the ATA show, try to get out here, work with a dealer, or if you're pro staff in, repping some people, come out to the show, check out all the new products, and check out Lumenok.
Always know where your arrow goes with the Lumenok.
There you go.
Hey everybody, this is Kelly with Tight Spot Quivers. We're here at the 2020 ATA show in Indianapolis. Just wanted to take a minute talking with John about our quivers, what we offer. For us here at Tight Spot, we kind of feel like we're the top end in the quiver market. We hope you'll check us out. We've got a lot of features to hand to you. A lot of different platforms, 3, 5, and 7 arrow quivers. A rise quiver, which is designed more around the whitetail hunter that's going to be in the tree stand a lot of time, with individually adjustable arrow grippers, a quiver that you can take on and off the bow with just the lift of a handle at any point in time, a lifetime warranty that runs with the quiver. We got a lot of advantages in what we're building, a lot of adjustability and really shooting enhancement. So we hope that you'll take a minute, come check us out at tightspotquiver.com. And keep checking out John's content. He's been using our stuff for a bunch of years. He can kind of attest to what we build and why it works well. He'd always be happy to answer some questions for you. And if you get a chance, give us a call. We'd love to visit with you about our stuff.
Real World Wildlife Products. It was kind of one of those items that you were waiting for somebody to come out with, and they did it. The giant miscanthus.
It's here.
Yeah. So tell us about that.
John, the giant miscanthus is a great product. It truly is the wall that does not fall down. Well, actually, when we cut this stuff down, we started out with a machete, Don got out his chainsaw because it's so thick. This stuff, the winter standability, it's incredible.
It's unbelievable.
Well, I mean, you know, when we talk about those screens, walking in, entry, exit, it seems like that's that constant thing you hear people talking about tactics all the time. Worry about your entry, exit. And if we can eliminate scent, that's one thing, but sight is something that you can't do unless you have that screen. And, you know, ideally, if you cut through the timber, that's just noisy. And deer bed in the
Good way to get busted.
Exactly. So this is awesome. It's been all over the internet. Everybody's been talking about it. And to go along with the complete feed and the maximizer mineral and all of the food plot seeds that you have, like you guys kind of have the whole package. You know what I mean?
We like to think so. I mean, Don, Terry, myself, we're all over 6 foot.
Yeah.
We're not very sneaky guys. We need something like this.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So even with boots, I'm like 5'10". You know what I mean? So it's amazing stuff. It's you know, I've done it with sorghum, Egyptian wheat, even corn in the past. It just doesn't do what this does.
Late November, December, those screens fall.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
And late season, when you're
that's when you want it.
Exactly, that's when you need it.
Yeah. So you guys be sure to check out Real World Wildlife Products. Check out everything that they have, but also check out this giant miscanthus. This was the first full year that I got to use all the products this year. One of the things I love the most, obviously, was the core body foam. And I found a ton of uses during trade show season. I don't like using all the hand sanitizer all the time. It dries out your hands. And I found myself using the core body foam on my hands all the time. And I didn't get sick this whole last trade show season.
You're not going to. And no, the reason for that is it bonds to your skin.
Yep.
So, you know, traditional hand sanitizers, put them on your hand, and then it evaporates. There's nothing left to work for you. Well, ours is different. It bonds to the skin. So all the hands that you shake, doorknobs that you turn, the rails at the mall, the escalator, whatever, you know, when you come in contact with that norovirus that's on there, or that rotavirus that's on there, it's killing on contact. So what you're doing is, it's a great outdoor and hunting application. It's an even better lifestyle application.
No doubt. Well, and ElimiShield has all of the scent elimination sprays. It's kind of more of a, we'll call it a me too. Everybody's got one, right? But the way that they're taking the technology a step forward, like I said, with the core body foam and like the X10D, pre-treating your clothing and getting that fabric where it's treated all the way into it, and eliminating the number of times you have to wash your clothes and things like that. I saw big advantages this year. Was fortunate enough to beat a big black bear's nose.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So that was awesome, and I became a fan and a true believer of it. So be sure to check out ElimiShield and all of their line of products. 2020 over here with some good friends of mine from Chama Chairs. I actually got introduced to them by a bunch of mutual friends, and I'm glad that I did, because I truly have found the ultimate hunting, camping, lifestyle chair, do-it-all that's packable and lightweight, durable. Sam's going to talk a little bit more about it.
Yeah, hey guys. So to start with, the chair is made out of 1000D Cordura fabric, mountain bike aluminum, and glass injected nylon. So it's lightweight and tough. It won't bend or break or bust on you. To start with, the backrest pops off. So if you want to use it as a stool or a table, you can. This rolls up and goes in the side pouch of the travel bag that the chair comes with. And to break down the chair, all you do is simply turn the locking knob here like so, and then it folds up into a nice compact lightweight package. You can travel with it in the travel bag or strap it to your pack, whatever you like, if you need to run and gun. The legs independently telescope one another, so you can level it out on unlevel ground. And the seat height is 24 inches with the legs all the way extended, and 20 inches with them collapsed, so depending on your blind height window or whatever's comfortable for you.
So basically, I run these in all of my ground blind situations, tower blind, permanent blind stuff. Turkey season, it's a must. And then also just around the backyard. You know, we're hanging out this year, 4th of July. We did a bunch of stuff. We had all the chairs out. And Chama Chairs is actually the official chair of Bourbon Barrel Calls.
There we go.
That's what's in the factory.
I love it. I love it.
So it's awesome. Cool. Be sure to check out Chama Chairs.
Peace out, ATA 2020. Here's looking at you. See you, man.
See you, bud.